Hi guys, it's me Murad. Today I'm pranking my brother with toilet paper. I think this is gonna work. This is my plan. So my plan is I'm gonna take this up and put it inside the couch. When my brother is gonna sit down, he's gonna say, "Ew, it's so uncomfortable." Okay, I put it, and let's see what happens. Faraj, come. Wait, go away, go away. Guys, I put this thing because I tried it. When you sit down, it makes a fart noise. Faraj, come. Sit down here.
Why?
I said, sit down over here. Wait, not yet. Stand up. Do like that, okay? Go. Quick. Go. Okay, jump. Wait, did anything happen? Jump again.
No, nothing didn't happen.
Okay, go.
I wasn't there.
Well, just do it. Go. Fart. I heard you do it like a fart noise.
No,
You got pranked.
no, it was.
Yeah, because of the toilet paper, it made a fart noise.
I knew what it was.
You got pranked.
No, I knew it was the toilet paper.
But still, you got pranked.
no, I knew it was.
You didn't get it. But I did hear a fart sound.